Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom. Making simple vegetable stir-fry noodle. Warm up the frying pan. Some hot cooking oil in. I love ginger and garlic. Minced ginger and garlic in. A little more. So this is the cooked noodle. If you don't have cooked noodle, you can simply use raw spaghetti noodle, any kind of noodle that you like, and just follow the instruction and see how to cook the noodle nice and authentic before you stir fry. Beautiful. Smells delicious. Until stir the ginger and garlic, aromatic, and you add all the vegetables that you have. I have mushroom, carrot, broccoli, pea pot, onion. What else do you have? Anything. Now you start to hear the stir fry sizzle sound. That means your frying pan is nice and warm and hot. We're gonna cook the vegetable until tender. Now the cooking oil incorporate with all the ginger and garlic and give them a really nice flavor. If you want your vegetable much soft, and just cook it a little longer. It's more tender that way. This is just vegetable. If you have any leftover steak or chicken, you can add it in too. If you like seafood, you can add shrimp, scallop, no problem. Stir fry for maybe 4 to 5 minutes. This is a good heat for me. If you want a little bit higher heat, just simply turn over the stove fire a little bit more, increase the fire a little more. That's good. So now we have this cooked noodle in. I also have some green onion. Green onion is really good with this recipe. We're gonna stir fry the noodle until nicely hot. Because this noodle is in the refrigerator overnight, so it's cold. If you have a high heat frying pan, you not require too much amount of the cooking oil. We do need cooking oil to cook, to create a flavor. So I'm going to stir this for maybe a few minutes until the noodle nicely hot. You need to stir and toss a few times. I'm going to crank up the heat a little bit higher. Almost good. Oh yeah, the noodle's hot. So now I'm going to add some white pepper and some soy sauce, any kind of soy sauce you have, sometimes darker, sometimes medium dark. That's good. And now we're just going to stir. Oh, it smells so good now. Okay, now we're going to give them a try. Wow, delicious. A simple stir-fried vegetable lo mein can taste that good. Unbelievable. Alright, so now sesame oil for flavor. Just a little bit, not much. We don't want overpowering the sesame oil. Remember, food always tastes really good, the flavor, when it's really hot. So we want to make sure stir until super hot and warm. Okay, I think the stir-fried vegetable lo mein is done. Turn it off. Pea pot should be crispy. Very hot. Delicious. So this dish, in Southeast Asia, we like to add some vinegar, black vinegar, okay? And mixture with a little bit honey, because vinegar is acidity, a little bit sweet, and this dish will go with spicy, combined together, give you more flavor. But this for my daughter, that's what she wanted for her breakfast. So, here we go. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.